I'm letting you go. It's not like you asked why, cause we've been dating, but it's like you didn't know. I tried so hard to change for you. I always thought your love for me would grow, but no. You chased other skirts, always made me feel low. Your friends thought it was funny, you gave them a show. After all these years, your brains are still slow. Do not touch me. Do not hold me. Don't even get close to me. I was your jukebox, you played me. That's why I always cried. You broke me. I thought this was it, but I guess love just ain't for me. When's the last time you came home early? When's the last time you slept next to me? When's the last time you even made love to me? I know it's not me. I'm still freaky and clean. You diss me every day. Why do you have to be so mean? When you said through thick and thin, what did you mean? You've changed my love to hate. I'm not sure I ever want to fall in love again. Remember how it used to be before? You used to sex me till 4. You used to hold my hand in public, would help me buy groceries at the store. But that was all before. Before we was an item. Before you was my main man. After all the love I've given to you, I still wonder what I was to you. Now I'm leaving you. And no, it's not me, it's you. Don't hold my hand. Don't ask what you did like you got no clue. I was willing to do everything to keep you. You was busy doing everything to be with someone else. I will forever love you, I confess. But I have to forget you before you turned me into a mess. I gave you everything, you gave next. I gave more, you gave less. Next time someone says they love me, I'ma let it pass. You really have me, so I'm letting you go.